Hi, it's Maddie, and I just wanted to quickly hop on here to tell you about some of the live events that we have coming up this weekend and to give you a quick reminder. So, tomorrow, Saturday, we're going to be meeting at Three Little Birds in the Washington, D.C. area. It's actually Three Little Birds Sewing Co. in Hyattsville, Maryland. And we're going to be meeting there at 1 p.m. and sewing until 5. So bring your sewing machines and your supplies. I'm going to bring the pattern. We'll be making the Allison tent dress for girls. And then after we're done, we're going to head on right down the street and maybe grab a couple of drinks or something like that. So I really hope that I can see you there. If you're also in the area and you just want to drop off your dresses, swing on by. Three Little Birds is offering a discount with the code DRESSAGIRL. So you can get a 50% discount off of any fabrics that you do decide to use while there. On Sunday, we're doing another dress unboxing. These are all of the packages that I picked up as of Tuesday. I'm going to head over to the post office both today and tomorrow to pick up anything else that may have come in. And then we're going to look inside all of these amazing boxes on Sunday, 12 p.m. Eastern time. Definitely on YouTube. If I can figure out Instagram, I'm a little Instagram challenge, but if I can figure out how to do the live there, we'll do it on Instagram as well. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Please, please, please post pictures of your dresses on Instagram using hashtag Project Dress a Girl 2022. So that way I can count your dresses and add them to the final worldwide count. If you're not on Instagram, please send me a message with the total number of dresses so that way I can add it to the count that way. What I found is that a lot of people are not reporting the number of dresses that they're sewing, and so our dress count is low. So please let me know how many dresses you've made. It doesn't matter where you're donating them. It doesn't matter if you're donating them directly to an ambassador. It doesn't matter which country you're donating them in. It doesn't even matter if you're going to be giving these dresses to a charity that you found for yourself. As long as you're making dresses as a part of this charity event, which is Project Dress a Girl 2022, let me know. Let me know. I really want to add your numbers to the count. So I hope to see you tomorrow in person, but if I don't see you tomorrow, I'll definitely see you on Sunday during the unboxing. And you all, until next time, I sincerely hope that you find joy and have a great day.